Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Uncle Chan Bali. Bali, it was a rain and rain and rain and rain. Yeah. So we go, guys. I decided to go out in the rain just to check out how's the streets looks like in the rain, and also planning to go to Kuta. Let's check out how is Kuta looks like in the rain. Yeah, that's a bagus shapes. And this one just right in Kuta Art Mart. So my video is will be on the beach in the rain. So let's check out, guys. How does it look like Kuta in the rain? Here we go. All the vendors are hiding under the tent. All the vendors. Yeah, and this beach is just right in front of Grand Ina Kuta. Sure, guys, you know this area. The busiest areas around Kuta. Yeah, this small beach, but it's always full of people in there. That's the Grand Ina. We don't see any people inside there because it was rain. I guess the people are hiding in the hotel, or maybe in the restaurant hotel. But those guys won't stop them coming to the beach. So they are stay under the umbrella and keep drinking. Yeah. So that's the unique of Bali. Yeah, this one is a big tent in there, so people can stay under the umbrella and keep drinking. Yeah, so it's really good actually. Yeah, so this is Kuta, everybody. It was a heavy and rain whole day.
Running, bro. Yeah.
All right, if you guys
Wait.
in Bali or planning to come to Bali, yeah.
The beer still cold.
Lately we had a lot of rain, and I guess it's still cloudy. So yeah, this is to expect if you're coming to Bali next week. Hopefully next month will be less rain. I don't know, but less hope rain will be go away because there's so many floods everywhere.
Oh yeah. Where's weather? How's everyone doing? You good?
It's good. A bit of water.
just water. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy.
So basically, the rain in Bali is coming early. Normally, rainy season more in like November, or November, December. But the rain is coming early, and actually, rain in Bali. A lot of rain in Bali lately. Yeah, so I guess the how do you call it? Extreme weather is how you say extreme weather. I don't think so extreme weather, but my point is the rain is coming early in Bali, so a lot of rain lately. Yeah, so this is all the construction is here is still doing it. Yeah, all the digger in there. Yeah, this is the gate of Kuta, and Grand Ina just right in the front of us on the right side in there, guys. So welcome to Bali in the raining season. Yeah.
Walking in rain, everyone in Kuta. Yeah. Who remember this time while you're in Bali, raining, get wet, but you still choose to go to the beach anyway, or you were stuck in the rain while you're on the beach? Yeah. Who remember this time? Handrop right here. What's going on over here on the beach over here? Let's check out. Everyone get wet, guys. Everyone get wet. What's happening? What's happening, bro? Hujan. Raining, everybody. What's going on with Bali? Yeah. Mana bang? Hujan bang? Look at everyone is hiding under the umbrella. Wow, this is really heavy rain. Basah, Bu. Hujan. Heavy rain, everybody. Look at that digger, you know. Digger is still alright, this is a new in here in Kuta. They put a big stone in here to stop the sand to get washed away. Digger is still in there. All the fenders over here. All of those guys will get wet. People are still in the water surfing. Oh, hujan bang. Aduh, basah kita. Apa lewat bang? Ini gimana nih? Aduh! Mana bang? Hujan. Mana tuh? Mana itu? Hujanan guys, kita kehujanan. Ayo aku jalan tuh ya.
Oke, ayo.
Ini baru. Hi bro, that's a good place to hide. There we go. At least it's useful. Useful. Oh. What's going on today? Basah. Even raining though, it's not too cold. Still nice temperature. Walking in the rain, those guys are running ice cream in the rain. Ice cream, screaming for ice cream. Let's go down the street, everybody. I'm in front of a Starbucks now. Oh, people are stuck in the rain, baby. Be careful. The Kuta beach, heritage hotel, heritage. Go back to the beach. Oh, people are hiding under the umbrella. People are still drinking beer. Right? How do we get it? We gotta go here. All the chairs get wet. Mana bu hujan nih? Hi guys, check this out. I don't know if you can hear me. This is a tour Bali circle. Even raining, those guys still go out. 2 people inside. 3, 4, 5. 5 people. Raining, bro. People are, I guess it's most of the people now in the bar, maybe in the restaurant, but some of them they are out. What are those kids doing now? Hey kids, what are you doing? Hey! Apa selancar kau? Hah? Mana preman eh? Mana preman kayak gini? Look at this kid. Raining, raining. Very wet. Raining. Yeah, really nice. There's a porpoise line. Guys, how are you doing? Nice one, good exercise, very good exercise. Woohoo! Enjoy, brother. Enjoy. this boy is even raining, he's still always happy. Always happy. That's a good one to share. Watch out your phone, mate. Raining. What's going on, guys?
Beautiful, hey?
Why do you guys bring raining to Bali?